Hello guys, today I'm very excited to show you this heel protector pillow that it is to relieve the foot pressure. Okay, the color it's like a light blue and it's very soft. It has here the elastic strap. Okay, I think it's perfect and I think it fits perfectly for an adult feet. Okay, it's like this. Okay, also another thing I like too much about this heel protector, it's that I think about the fabric, it's very easy to clean it. And well, let's going to try it. Okay, so the first thing is that I'm going to take my shoes off and then I'm going to put it like this. Okay, like this. I'm going to put my feet here. Wow, okay, yeah, it's very comfortable. Okay, it looks like this. Wow, I think it's perfect. No, I love it. Okay, really, it's very soft, very comfortable. In this part it has like some type of fabric different that it looks very well. Okay, and it looks like this. I think it's perfect. I like it too much.